Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Ramba Kajala uba Prestone dan Song, ulaong bakajing syong kha khana kajur baha hakitan nong kendong, namar babon na Kmie kikpa ki Kheiñ batang balatip, bat ya hun lang na Baroh Arliang ki bahayi ngasem jong ki kentay ni usen rang, kilarai ban menjur ban Pynïathoh no eki Khun jong ki, wat la ki don hapo ke Karta, na kabalabu da kapok so ak. Ulaong bakidon ki Kmie kikpa hakitan nong kendong, ki batip dekaan jong kapok so ak, Henry bun na ki kimbut kat kum kanikaan. Bat kim da perkhat than ya Jakarta jong ki Khun Henry ki Kheiñ batang balayamon na Baroh Arliang kalalong ban Pynïathoh no ya ki Khun jong ki ulaong batat anda ki Khun jong ki let kha Khun sa hospital ki doktor ki satip baka Jakarta jong ki kalong persya kat kum kapok so ak kum ta ulaong baka kamram jong ki doktor kalong bakin pentip sya ki pulit bat ki pulit ru ki hab ban le ya ka badan kam uba Prestone ulaong baka jing syong kha khna kamjia tang hapo ka jala Henry ka ja haki weipat ki nong kendong jong ki weipat ki jala hapo ri India kumta ulaong baka dan kam baka sorkar India kan pet banyak biang yakini kian kapok so ak. Hak bedai baka jingja syale bejot bat syak penyap kawe ka samla pulih doktor ke Balaja Kolkata. Hakini ki khendiat sngi sembut Menteri Rangba ulaong bana kaliang ka sorkar kan sa syong perkhat pha khanang man khanglat bakum kini ki jingja kinumwan ja hapo ka jala. Ngim kwa ban yo I bakum kini ki jingja kinwan ja hapo ka jala ulaong.
Yes, in fact, I think right now everybody, even up to the village level, they know about the law, about the Baroh. But of course, maybe most interior places like few villages, it may happen that yes, they don't know, or even if they know, they thought that since you have that consensual agreement between two families, not only two persons, maybe even two families, so they simply said, okay, let us go ahead. Let my son and your daughter get married. They really don't talk about the age. So, quite a number of cases happen like that. The moment when they come for delivery in the hospital, then only doctor came to know, and the duty of the doctor is to report to the nearest police station. Then police has to take action according to the act. Okay, but at the same time, now we have, in fact, we have discussed even in the central government, because this act is the central act. We discuss about this issue because this happened, not only in Meghalaya alone, even in India, in those remote and rural area, it used to happen. So I think the government of India is also of the view that they will revisit again the present form of the Baroh, or being taken over in the form of opportunity by any vested interest people. So let me just tell you one thing, we are very clear about it. An instruction also has been given to the police department, and then even the law itself will take its own course. Because see, right now I think we have seen it, not only in Meghalaya, even throughout India or throughout the world. We have seen there are so many cases, almost every day you will see the unpleasant incidents throughout India or even throughout the world.
So the case in Kolkata state government to ensure that the state and the central hospitals are properly they have enhanced the security.
Yes.
Is there anything?
Yes, that we will do it. I think the minister in charge, Dr. Amrin, she's on the job, and we need to sit down also, be it in the cabinet or be it in the government department or in the government itself. We will discuss this issue to make sure that such unfortunate incidents should not happen in our state, or we don't wish to see this unfortunate